All right, so we had a Colorado come in, small little fender bender, not too bad. The only thing that's gonna be a pain is trying to rework the body line right here on the door. But instead of getting all new parts, we're actually just gonna pull it, body work it, repaint it. When we go to repaint it, what I wanna do on this one is, because I don't want it to be seen that it was a repair. So I'm gonna pull both doors off. The doors will come off. I'll paint the doors separately. We'll tape this off and I'll paint the whole entire cap right here from top to bottom to blend. So basically I'm gonna blend the door into the fender, and same thing with this top rail here and then back here, so then that way you can't ever tell it was painted. So.